Hello, and welcome to the Checkpoint Cyber Range. In this video, you will learn how to set up and run a training or a campaign in the Cyber Range. First, log in using a master account. Once logged in, you enter the Campaigns page. Each campaign is a scenario or a training. Here you can browse through the available campaigns, red or attack campaigns, and blue or defense campaigns. You can filter them using the Campaign Filter panel on the left side. View the full campaign details by clicking See More. The campaign card displays the cyber topics the campaign touches on, the campaign brief, video brief, network map, city map, as well as all the targets and missions. Each campaign is comprised of a few targets, and each target includes a few missions that the players will need to solve. The mission's details include explanations of how to solve the mission both in text and in some campaigns a video solution as well. Once you have chosen a campaign, click Deploy Campaign. You will then be taken to the Teams page. In this page, all the registered users are presented on the left side, and all the teams that are planned for the current training are presented on the right side. In this case, there are only one player and one master registered. You may choose to hide assigned players and display or hide disabled players. To add a user, simply click Add Player, enter the email address, a nickname, and a temporary password. You can also upload a picture for the player. Choose if the user is a player or a master. Player is chosen by default. A master should only be set up for users who need to run trainings for other players. Enable the player by checking the Enabled checkbox and click Add User. Once that is done, the player will receive an email to begin the registration process. As part of the registration process, the player will be able to change their nickname, password, and image. The player is now added to the list. To delete a player, simply click Edit User and then Delete User. There is also an option to upload a CSV with a list of players already assigned to teams. To receive the CSV format, please contact info@simpire.com. The right side of the screen includes the list of teams that will participate in the training. To add a team, click Add Team, enter the team's name, upload an image, and click Add Team. The new team is created, and players can be added to it using drag and drop. For example, I will add myself to the new team. To delete a team, click Edit Team, Delete Team, and confirm the deletion. Once you are happy with the team's configuration, press Deploy Teams. The campaign starts loading, and the environment is set up according to the number of teams deployed. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient and wait for this animation to end and the Fights On button to light up. Meanwhile, you may change the duration of the campaign. The recommended duration is displayed by default. However, you can change that by clicking the Edit icon. Set the new campaign duration and confirm by clicking the check icon. Once the campaign is finished closing, the Fights On button highlights and the campaign can be launched by clicking Fights On. This is the Master's Mission Control screen. All the campaign's targets and missions are listed in the bottom left corner of the screen. Below each target are its missions. Clicking on a target displays its target brief. Clicking on a mission selects that mission as the active mission and displays its details in the Active Mission window. On the top panel, the master can choose each of the participating teams. Once a team is selected, the master can chat with each of the members separately or with the whole team by clicking the team icon. Notifications are displayed in the COM section whenever something happens in the game. Clicking Open Leaderboard below the clock displays the campaign timeline. Use the navigation menu to navigate between the various master screens including Leaderboard, Timeline, Campaigns, and Teams. These may be opened in a separate tab in order to be displayed on a separate screen. All answers and hints are available for the master in the Active Mission window. Click Display Answers in order to view all the mission's possible answers. As the master, you can select any mission to view its full details and provide support to the players. The campaign can be stopped at any time using the Stop button. This will stop the campaign for all players. Click Exit to return to the Teams page. That concludes the review of the Ranger functionality of the Cyber Range. And remember, practice makes perfect.